Hey, what's up everyone? Today in this video I'm going to show you new premium widgets for your any Android device. So let's begin. Okay guys, first go to Play Store and download this app on your Android device. This app download link available on description. After download, simply tap and open. After open, simply tap on allow notifications. And guys, look at these many beautiful categories of widgets. Both premium and free widgets available on this app. Look at these. This is completely look premium. Now let me show you how to add these widgets on home screen. Look at these weather widgets, both premium and free weather widgets available on this app. Simply tap on weather widget, grant location permission, simply tap on add to home screen. And look at these widget add on your home screen. Now let me show you calendar widget. Look at these, all type of calendar widgets. Simply tap, grant permission and add to home screen. And look at this guys, battery widget. Guys, these battery widgets completely look like One UI 8 widgets. Look at these. Simply add to home screen and these widgets completely look like Samsung One UI 8 widgets. Now tap on device info and look at this. This is complete device info widgets and this is also completely look like Samsung new One UI 8 widgets. Simply tap and add to home screen. Now tap on AI and look at this AI search. Simply tap and add to home screen. Look at this music player. All types of music player widgets available on this app. Simply tap and grant music access. And simply tap and add to home screen. Look at these. My home screen completely look premium. So guys, many beautiful widgets available on this app. And guys, look at this downside, customization options, but this is pro options. And guys, both mode available on this widget, light and dark mode, both widgets available on this app. Simply check out description and both dark and light widgets link available on description. So I hope guys you enjoyed this video and you also install these new widgets on your any Android device. So if you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.